Hey guys, this is a update on my Crosman Pulse R76 or AK74u. So yeah, first I took off the stock. Well, one side broke, so I just took the other side off. It's better now. It's more of a CQB weapon. I added a custom rail on the top. Let me move over here. Let me get it off. See a custom rail by putting a screw and bolt at the bottom and then welding it down. And then on top of that I put my NC Star red dot scope on it. Let me put it back on the gun. Like I said, the rail and the red dot. I lubricated the bolt here so it sounds a lot better. Then I added a AK47 foregrip here. Let me show you. Here it is. And then it folds down. Like that. And then I put a custom flash hider on that I made myself with PVC pipe with some edging on it. And then here's the mag. Still the same. So yeah, that's the update on the Crosman Pulse R76. And here is the stock. See, this side broke. So yeah. Yeah, that's about it. See you guys later.